What is Sora exactly? At its core, Sora is a text-to-video diffusion model. You type a description, a prompt, and Sora generates realistic, high-fidelity video clips up to a minute long. But don't confuse it with earlier, choppy AI video generators. Sora isn't stitching together images, it's understanding the 3D world, physics, and character interactions to create coherent, consistent, and cinematic scenes. The why behind the wow, how Sora works. Sora's power comes from a few key breakthroughs. Unified patching. Unlike older models that treat each frame separately, Sora sees video as a collection of patches, think tiny blocks of space-time. This allows it to maintain consistency in objects, characters, and environments across an entire minute-long clip. This is why a character doesn't suddenly change clothes or pop out of existence. Transformer architecture. Similar to how ChatGPT understands language, Sora uses a transformer model to understand the semantics of video. It learns from vast amounts of video data what walking looks like, how light reflects off water, and how a camera might move in a professional shot. World model aspirations. OpenAI isn't just building a video generator, they're building a world simulator. Sora is learning the underlying physics and dynamics of the real world, which is why its generations are so strikingly realistic. It's developing an internal representation of objects, their properties, and how they interact. Content creation and marketing. Rapid prototyping. Marketers can generate dozens of ad variations in minutes, testing concepts before shooting expensive footage. Personalized campaigns. Imagine generating unique video ads for individual customer segments, tailored to their specific interests, all from text prompts. Explainer videos. Complex topics can be visualized instantly without needing animators or camera crews. Entertainment and media. Pre-visualization. Filmmakers can quickly visualize scenes, camera angles, and special effects. Indie filmmaking. A solo creator can generate short films, music videos, or intricate visual narratives without a massive budget. Gaming assets. Developers can generate environmental assets, non-player character animations, or dynamic cutscenes with unprecedented speed. Education and simulation. Interactive learning. Educational content can become hypervisual, generating simulations of historical events, scientific processes, or complex machinery. Virtual training. Create realistic training scenarios for anything from surgical procedures to emergency response, all customized on demand. The ethical considerations and challenges. As with any powerful AI, Sora brings significant ethical questions to the forefront. Deepfakes and misinformation. The ability to generate hyper-realistic video means a heightened risk of convincing disinformation. Robust detection tools and transparent watermarking are paramount. Copyright and ownership. Who owns the video Sora generates? What about the data it was trained on? These legal frameworks are still evolving. Displacement of creative jobs. While Sora is a tool, it will undoubtedly change the landscape for certain roles in traditional video production. The focus will shift from execution to conceptualization and AI prompting. Accessing Sora in 2026. As of early 2026, Sora is integrated directly into ChatGPT Plus and ChatGPT Enterprise tiers. Users can access it through the ChatGPT interface by selecting the Sora model and entering their prompt. OpenAI is also rolling out API access for developers to integrate Sora into their own applications. Together, let's build a workplace equipped for the digital age. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and get notified for daily updates.